I'm going to walk you through your Willo order and how to use the Willo AutoFlo Plus. In each starter kit, you get the Willo toothbrush, the OptiClean brush head and lip rest. These two together will go on the toothbrush handle and clean your child's teeth. The lip rest will separate your child's lips from the cheeks so that the toothbrush can do its job and move side to side effortlessly. Liquid toothpaste in the flavor of your choice, strawberry bubblegum or mint, which gets automatically dispensed during brushing. And the special cap for the toothpaste, we will put it on the toothpaste bottle so it can work with the toothbrush. Okay, let's take a closer look at the Willo AutoFlo Plus. When you open the box, there is a quick start guide, power plug, and the Willo AutoFlo Plus. The Willo itself has a few components such as the water tank. The water will mix with the liquid toothpaste and flow directly into the OptiClean brush head, the handle, the drain hose that goes into the sink so excess liquid can drain during brushing, the cleaning bottle, and the cleaning plug, and the drip tray to make sure the experience is truly mess-free. The drip tray will catch any drips after brushing and can easily be removed and rinsed at any point in time. Okay, let's get this set up and ready to use. Find a flat surface for the Willo AutoFlo Plus and plug it into a power outlet. You'll see the display light up. Then place the drain hose in the sink using the suction cut to keep it in place. This is where the liquid will automatically drain into the sink when your child is brushing their teeth. Now it's time to fill up the water tank with water. Simply remove it, lift the lid, and fill it with water to the fill line. Close the lid and put it back in place. Swap out the cleaning bottle for the toothpaste. To do this, pull the cleaning bottle from the bottom and store in a safe place for later. Then take your toothpaste, open, unseal, insert, and tighten the bottle cap and straw. To install, insert the top of the toothpaste bottle at an angle and snap the bottom into place. Finally, let's add the lip rest and OptiClean brush head to the Willo AutoFlo Plus. Remove the handle cap. First, take the blue lip rest and firmly attach it. Then insert the OptiClean brush head into the handle. Make sure there are no gaps around the handle and the lip rest. Last thing is to prime it. Point the handle into the sink and long press the button display for 3 seconds. The display will turn green while priming and a small amount of liquid may be released. Priming will ensure that the toothpaste flows freely. Now your kids are ready to use the Willo AutoFlo Plus. Happy brushing!